Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide chat in Twitch account. Keep watching the video till the end. To hide your chat in Twitch, firstly open your Twitch application. The home page of Twitch will appear on the screen. Click on any of the video you want to watch. Full screen the video. Tap on Hide Chat icon on the bottom right side of the video being played right next to the rotate option. This is how you can hide your chat in Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.